In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and manage your projects using Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help streamline your workflow for better productivity. Let's dive right in and discover how to make the most out of this powerful project management tool. First, you'll want to head to the Monday.com homepage. This is where all the magic starts. You can use any web browser to access your Monday.com account by entering the URL or simply searching for Monday.com in your favorite search engine. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. If it's your first time, you may want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's quite user-friendly, with navigation menus readily accessible. Once you're logged in and at the Monday.com home, the next step is to click on your projects. Finding this can be straightforward. Look for the section labeled My Projects or something similar depending on your account setup. This area is where you'll find all your active projects. By clicking here, you'll be taken to a dashboard that lists everything you've got on your plate. It's a real-time view of your work, and it's a great place to start prioritizing your tasks for the day, week, or month. Now, let's make some progress on your tasks within a project. Imagine you have several tasks lined up, but you're looking to update their status. Navigate to a specific project board where you'll see a list of tasks often categorized by their current state: to do, in progress, or completed. Here is where Monday.com shines with its intuitive drag and drop feature. For instance, if you have a task that you've just finished, all you need to do is click and drag this task from the to-do column over to the completed column. This easy motion visually tracks project progress and keeps everyone on the team updated in real time. As you navigate these steps, remember that Monday.com is designed to be flexible and customizable, so feel encouraged to explore its different features and see what works best for you and your team. It's not only about keeping tasks organized, it's about creating a workspace that enhances teamwork, allowing for seamless communication and project tracking. That wraps up our guide for today on managing your projects with Monday.com. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering this tool, improving your project management skills, and boosting your team's productivity. Remember to integrate these steps into your daily routine for best results, and don't hesitate to delve deeper into Monday.com's other capabilities to further enhance